In this video, we'll see how we can create booking system in WordPress. Here you can see I can easily able to select slot, then date and time, then able to book it. Very simple. We'll see how we can do it in WordPress for free. Let's go. So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now to create a booking system in WordPress or booking website, what you can do, we will add a appointment booking system using a plugin. So we will go on plugin, click on add new, search here booking press. I will show you how to set up and what are the features of this plugin. Okay, and I will also add link in description through which you can easily download plugin. Here plugin is installed. Now by default, after installing the plugin creates some pages like I will show you here. Appointment cancel, appointment book, and appointment cancel payment. These are pages, my booking pages created by plugin. I haven't done anything. This is very first. It will ask for setup. Okay, you can. It's not compulsory. It's totally upon you. You can just direct close and exit. If you want to set up, I will show you how to set up. Country, I am India. If you want a phone number, you can add. You can add a website. Now here you can add the company logo. Now here you can set the working hour, what will be working hour, on which time you want to add appointment. I want 9 to 5, or you can select as per your requirement the working hour. Saturday, Sunday off. Currency, I want to send INR. INR. I will select here, scroll down here, Indian rupees. Next. Now, first thing here, we need to create services. I will create a service for which you want to create booking and its price is 500. And you can set duration 30 minutes or 1 hour, or you can also set in hours. I am setting it to 60 minutes. Like appointment is booked for 16 minutes. Here you can add description. Oh, okay. Click on next. Now font and color styling that you want to show your booking form, that is created. Now your booking form is ready. Very simple. Now you just need to copy this code and paste in your paste variable you want to show booking for. Okay, or you can just go to this URL and you can see. By default, I have already told you this plugin create pages by default. It have created page for book appointment. If you don't want to paste form in a specific page, you can just open this page and see. Here you can see my booking website is ready. I can select services, then I can select time, slot, scroll down. I will select slot, then I need to fill all the details and next. Here, book appointment. My appointment is very simple. Now this is very basic. Now I will show you how to make it. If you want to add any feature, how to make it more advanced, edit it, customize it. Let's go to that part. It's very basic. Now suppose you have skipped the setup. What you need to do? Very simple. If you had skipped the setup, first step you need to go to services, create services. Then only this plugin will work. Service is compulsory. Okay. Go to setting. Here 30-minute and 30-minute default slot gap. Show time as per service duration. Afternoon slot start 12. Evening, here you can see 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Then this is afternoon slot. Then this is evening slot that I have created from here. Default appointment status, it should be pending or approved. You can select from here. Okay. country code, default phone country code, it's India, date format, hour format. If you want to share all-time slot between all services, enable it. Now, if you want user login system, then you need to enable this feature. I have created a specific video to how to create booking appointment feature with user login. I will add link in description. And also click on icon that is showing on top. From that video, you can know it better how to set up it properly. Now this is company detail if you want to fill. Notification. By default, it is sender mail is this. Admin mail or sender mail that you can set from here. Okay. Now you can test mail here. Working hour. What will be the appointment booking timing? You can set if you want to add breaks. Like I will not book appointment in break like 12 to 1. So you can set from here for each day 12 to 1. So you need to set for each day. I have set it for 1 here. Break between 12 to 1. Holiday you can set payment. Now by default this is a free plugin. Now if you want payment integration, payment gateway, then you need to buy pro version of this plugin. I have also add link of pro version. By clicking on it, you can buy pro version and setup. I have also created video on how to add payment gateway, Razor payment gateway in this app. Plug in this plugin. You can watch this. I will add link in description. Now messages. PayPal payment gateway is free. If you want other payment gateway, you need to buy pro version of this plugin. Basic setup is here. There is nothing customized. You just need to create services, then go to setting and set up it. Now customize it how you want your field. What are the fields that you want in info? Click on customize form. If you want to customize your form, here you can see color. You can select color. Now manage from here. If you want to wizard on top or the left, you can set as per your requirement. Now these are some options. You can set as per your requirement. Very basic. Now important part is field setting. What are the fields that you want in booking appointment? I have added name, first name, last name, email address, phone number. If you want to add any field, remove any field, it's totally upon you. Here in service, here we see manage category. From here, you can create category. Close. Now create. I will create a service. It will be 1 hour. Pricing will be support 700 from here. I will select category. Save. Now let's go to booking page here. Now I'll show you. Here now if I create category here on top, it will show you start showing category. All and category. All I get 2 services, but in category I get only 1 service that I have added in that category. Select here. Now this is very basic. That's how you can easily create appointment booking system in WordPress. Now I will show you paid feature of this plugin. I've added link on description. You can go to paid by pro version of this plugin, and here in add-ons you can see the paid feature of this plugin. I will show you. Scroll down here. Booking press add-on, tax calculation, invoice, cart add-ons, staff member, custom service duration, service extra, coupons, deposit payment, multiple quantity. So these are some paid features. If you want this feature, you need to buy pro version and let me know if there is issue. I will create video in the platform. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.